Ah, big bro, what's up? What's up? I'm good. You are good. And I'm here sitting under a tree. I'm cool. We are not in school today. What's the problem?
See, you can't understand.
Understand what? See, you missed a lot. School was so fun today. And I'm here sitting under a tree, lonely. This morning,
This book is becoming so interesting every day.
What are you reading?
Oh, as you can see, I'm enjoying myself with this exercise book. Sorry, textbook. It's like dictionary.
Are you aware the book is taught upside down?
Oh, maybe it's network.
Oh, John, I'm hungry. My children are very hungry. And besides, we haven't eaten anything since morning.
It's only how to chop that you know. Running your mouth like a new motor saw. Hey!
Oh, John, why is it that it is only the time for bed? That's when you know you are the head of this family.
Should I go and be the tail? I'm the head of this family and I'll continue to be the head. Especially when it comes to that aspect.
Nothing will happen in this house. Nothing is going to happen in this house until you give me that money.
School petenya. Yeah? Give me a dirty slap now. Are you okay?
Papa, as you can see, you're ready for school.
Oh, you are ready for school?
Yes, Papa.
Where's your bed?
Oh, I forgot.
You are a fool. You don't need to stay there. And where do you say you are going to?
School, Papa.
You are a fool. And you?
School, Papa.
Very good. Your head is not correct. I believe I have not paid your school fees.
No, Papa.
And I'm not going to pay. Maybe the next future or the next generation, I will pay it.
Mama, let me talk to Papa now.
Shut up and listen to your father.
Very good. I'm talking, you are interrupting me. Where did I stop?
You send my school fees.
I'm not going to pay it. Do you understand?
Yes, Papa.
Very good. You see those two of them? Go and market them for me. Nonsense. Ah, you come. Drop that thing. Come. Use your head to touch it. Nonsense.
Child! That's very bad of your parents. They are abusing you instead of them to take good care of you. Is that the reason why you are sitting under a tree and you did not come to school?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry, everything will be fine. Come, let's go. Don't worry, come, let's go. When you get there, you will know.
As you can see, I'm comfortable here.
Life is all about surprises. Follow me and come. Let's go and enjoy it. Come.
Hey, Smoke. Who is leading?
Smoke.
I need my commission from that game.
Okay, boss.
Respect to the lawyer.
Hi, babe. What's the update?
Lawyer.
Who is this bonus mark that you brought to our ground? Who is this?
Yours my guy. I really pick out deal with me.
This Lemotio, this Coco.
I beg go Michelle, man, not be me you want to.
Baba, let's go.
Who is this guy?
It's my friend. I just pick him from the street.
Oh, you pick him from the streets.
Yes, sir.
Do you think this is pick and win promo?
No.
You don't just go outside and start picking.
Sorry, boss.
You pick tactically. That is what we do here. Where are you heading to?
I'm going to school.
So what are you doing on ground?
Sir, you don't understand.
Oh, me boss, I can't understand. You want me to go and move your parents at home?
That's Wally.
Do you know what? We can comfort you actually. Take him to one corner and comfort this boy.
now. I don't need this. What do you need?
Anything I see now, even if it's just a conductor, a wheelbarrow pusher, or a bus driver, I don't mind.
Hey, you come this side. Are you out of your senses?
Please, sir, don't insult me this afternoon. Don't insult me, please.
I know your head is no longer correct. Only one you are just discussing. What's your problem?
Sir, please, a long story. The guy is in money.
Excuse me.
As he's in money.
Good day. You're Sandra, right?
Yes, I am.
My name is Young. I live across the streets.
I know.
Oh, you even know me? You actually look good.
Thank you.
I'll be looking for a way to come see your parents.
About what?
So I can ask you hand in marriage.
Marriage.
Of course.
Seriously?
Yeah.
If I may ask, what do you do for a living?
I'm a monthly earner.
How much do you earn?
It's quite okay.
How much do you earn now?
It's 30,000 naira.
30,000 naira. Seriously? Babe. And you want to get married to moi?
Of course.
Seriously?
Yes.
And it seems as if you don't even own a car. Do you have a house?
I'm still living with my parents.
Even the most expensive iPhone, you don't even have it. And you want to come and marry moi? With your cheap top and your cheap shoe. What kind of embarrassment is this now? Hey, you're even wearing big. Your mates are wearing Rolex. You are wearing big. 15 naira big. This should be the last time you will ever stop me and tell me this kind of nonsense.
Tactically, my sister, they can change the mouth.
Go and check yourself there. Check yourself before you start telling me any nonsense. Babe, please, let's go inside.
She told my love that love. She talks out the coco. She wanna know the coco. Yeah.
Sister Sandra.
My name's not Sandra. My name's Sandy.
Okay, I'm sorry, Sandy.
So what are you doing here?
My brother just called me today. He said that he's still interested though.
Finish him. Is it deaf?
No.
Wait, is there deafness in your family?
No.
I've told your brother times without number that I'm not interested. Are you sure you're not even deaf?
No.
See, go back, tell him I'm not interested. I can't marry him. I can't marry a poor man like him. Understood?
Yes.
You just ruined my day. I was actually on my way to a party, very expensive party at that, which your brother cannot even take me to. He can't even dream to take me to that party. Not in the next 5 or 10 years to come.
Thank you.
Okay? So just leave. Shut the door behind you and don't come and give me bad luck.
Okay,
please,
thank
go,
you.
Go, go.
Thank you.
Go.
Yes, I'll call you back. Good day.
Longest time.
Sandra, right?
Yes, Sandra. You can call me Evangelist Sandra.
Wow. How are you doing?
I'm fine, fine. Longest time.
What's your clothes?
I heard you just returned from overseas.
Of course, that was
Welcome.
nice.
Welcome.
You can come inside, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. My wife and kids are inside.
You are married?
I'm married with 2 kids.
Hey, it doesn't really matter. I can still be your second wife. Hey, you remember you said you wanted to marry me that years back. I'm ready now.
That was then. I asked you out. You toned me down simply because I was not using the latest iPhone. I don't have a car, I don't have a house. Now I have my own house, I have cars everywhere, and I'm using the latest phone.
See, I've changed though. I'm not even after material things again. As you can see, I'm not born again.
Good luck looking for your own husband, okay?
Although you are talking to yourself as if your head is not correct. Your head is not correct, sha. But come, let me help you.
What?
Will you be my fifth wife?
Your wife. Any number. I'll be your wife.
Wait. Can see you look desperate. I'm joking, no. But I can make you the sixth wife or the seventh wife.
I will be your 15th wife. I don't care. Please see, my father's house is just over there. Let's go.
Wait. I'll make you the 15th.
I said there will be any number. Let's just go to my father's house.
No problem. Let the love start from you. Yeah, I just. You are coming. Now you are here. You are not coming again.
I'm coming.
I wonder the type of coming you are coming.
I'm sorry.
Where's the water? Oh, give me. My friend, kneel down. Give me this water. Is there everything I'll be telling you with my mouth? It's only in bed that you know everything. Give me. Okay, you are looking. Come on, leave this place. Now, just where is this woman? This woman.
Papa Ojo, who are you calling?
My wife, of course.
Your wife.
Of course.
And you are calling her this woman.
Is she not a woman?
At this era, we don't call women that way. Call them tactically.
Scope Tenya.
When I say tactical names, I mean sweet names. Like sweetheart, honey pie, you know?
My wife is not cheap. She's expensive. I will call her heavy names, expensive names. Like bag of meat, bag of onion, refrigerator, bag of beans, bag of rice, Ferrari, Bugatti, Kota, all those buildings, heavy buildings.
Your wife.
Wait, are you here to discuss about my wife or you are here to discuss something with me? Don't angry me. She's even here. What is your problem? My friend, don't angry me. If you don't take time now, I will say we close to catch this hand. Why are you raining now? Because you want to give me water. Before you know, people will not say I'm wickeding you in this house. You are for me, you are good now. Come on, stand up and give me this thing. Give me. I'm not even drinking again. Take your water and go inside. Go with your water. And you do and go home. Very good. Just be going. Don't even bother to come. I cannot go and bite my tongue because of you. Don't even bother to come back.